Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the license plate, the tag light on a Ford Fusion second generation, so that will cover 09 until 2012. And you have right and left side right here. You need to diagnose which one doesn't work. And we need a Phillips screwdriver. You need to remove one screw on each side of the light. And the shorter the screwdriver, the better, because you have more room. Okay, and that's where the tag light is. It's pretty simple, guys. It's just made to come out of there. There is no even wires, as you can see. Inside there is the metal plates that are contacting there. And now what you need to do for the light, you just need to pull it out. You pull to the side a little bit and pull the bulb out. And this is the bulb, if you need it, E1, okay, 37R if you need it, right there. And then you get the new one and you put it back in. Just you go on one side and push until it clicks like that, and it's on both sides, as you can see, right here and here. And all you need to do now, you need to make sure you go in the right angle and just install it right there. And all you got to do, guys, now is just get those tight, and that's the whole procedure. The same for left and right side. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.